Alright, Photo 2s, this is Snapfish. If you choose option 3 where you want to buy a book, this is the website I always use to do all my photo stuff. I've done a million things. I do calendars every year for the parents and all kinds of fun stuff. They have a million things here that you can create. And you create it on the website and then you pay for it and they mail it to you. I've also done prints, like up here on the top are like the things that I've done recently, look at big prints and stuff like that. So when I first opened snapfish.com, the first thing that popped up were all these deals. And look at what's on top, you guys. Photo book sale as low as $10.99 up to 72% off. They always have ridiculous deals like this. And the first thing you're going to want to do is sign up and create a login. And when you do that, up here on the top, there's always a tab that says deals. So you can click on that, and this ends on the 3rd though, so I don't know if that's going to be enough time for you guys to actually do your book. Probably not, but there's always other things too. So you just scroll through. Look at, there's so many things. Like, they practically give stuff away. I don't even know how they make money. Prints, books, all kinds of things, and the coupon codes are right down here, and all you have to do is type them in when you're in the checkout. They also have all the time, like, you know, 50% off your entire order, or free shipping, or all of the above. Like, I am telling you, I really don't know how they even make money. They just, you know, just whatever. So deals, first thing to look for. Okay, so here we go. Photo books. You click on this, and look, it's so easy, you guys. Step 1, choose your book, choose your photos and your design and your layouts. It's actually quite fun. So you can pick a book. There's so many options and so many different sizes, and it gives you the prices. This is obviously before those deals that they were doing, but you know, even this 5x7 softcover book is $12.99. Hardcover book, $14.99. So many things. Upgrade your book to a matte cover. Look at, keep going. Special occasions. These will give you like the layouts that are already done. So if you want to start with something, you can change everything, but you could start here. And then it gives you even more options. It shows you the hardcover, the lay flat cover, the premium lay flat cover, materials, your soft book, your linen books. You can even do leather books. Like, crazy, crazy stuff they can do here. And they're so nice. They really are, right? So let me just go up here and I'll just pick one. Say I want to do this one, right? And you can do, you could design your own, or you could do ones that already have layouts. I'm just going to go into design your own, right? Make this photo book. First thing you're going to do is upload your own photos to the Snapfish website so you get photos. I have a million photos, but I just want to, you know, come in here and show you, right? Like, here's the front cover, and you flip through it, inside cover. And look, you can add your photos, which once you get your photos into here, they'll all be here, and you could click and just drag them over. You could do layouts, like say I want one photo per page or multiple photos per page, and then all you really do is you click on that and it adds it over here, and then you click on here and you add your photos. It's so fun. You could do designs. There's little, you know, pre-made customize your photo book. Pre-made layouts and stuff like that. Look at how cute. It has little, you know, backgrounds and everything. Or you do your own. Look at, these are great. You can do backgrounds. Look at, there's backgrounds inside backgrounds inside backgrounds. Like, it's crazy what you can do with this book. Oh, what did I do? Oh, look, that just applied it to my entire book. So you might want to be careful of that. And it applied it to my entire book, right? Oh gosh, embellishments. You can even do cute little things here in the corners or on the things. I've done stuff like that before. Borders, text. You can add your titles, your name, you know, you could change the book type here, right? So you could get so into this. I'm gonna see how many pages this book has. Um, 20 pages. That's nice. 20 pages. So that's more than your 12 images that you have to have, but maybe you add more, or maybe you add older images, or maybe you shoot more than 12 for your project, whatever. Um, and then you click here, you can see all the pages and the layouts and how you did it, right? You can click on anything and edit it, delete it, move it around, you know. You can design this whole thing if you want to. You take your picture, you make it bigger. Seriously, like anything. And it's so, so, so easy. You can review it and buy it. You can save it and come back to it later. Like, there's just a million things that you could do here. It's really quite fun. It really is. The only thing I'm concerned about is how long it would take this book to get to you. So if this is an option that you want to do, I would say you may have to, I don't know, you may have to finish it real early and order it and maybe rush deliver it, so that it gets to you, you know, by the due date or by the time school is over even. Yeah, so that's the only option, the only thing that I would say. Now if I go into my projects, look, I have 30 projects that I've done on Snapfish. Christmas cards, we've done Christmas cards. I've done big canvas prints, posters, all kinds of stuff on here. So purchased projects, there we go. I was going to show you. This was a blanket. Oh, I did a blanket. That was great. Calendars. I do calendars all the time. See, for Christmas. The parents yell at me if I don't do calendars now. So same way, you design them all. Here's all the calendars, and Christmas cards that I do every year on Snapfish. So super fun, super easy, totally an option, especially if you want a really nice book of your work, which, you know, would be something really, really nice to have. So that's totally up to you guys, whatever you think. So if you have questions, please let me know.